Hi guys, welcome back to Gracie Gets the Keys. My name is Gracie Dorr. I'm with KeysCations Realty. Here we have 599 West 105th Street here in Marathon, Florida. And I'm a local realtor. If you are interested in buying this home or any others in Florida Keys, I will leave my information on the screen. This is a great home to break into the Keys lifestyle. It's only listed at $550,000. It is a dry lot, but it's a super cute home built in 2018. So it is a little bit newer. All hurricane impact doors and windows. So you're really safe, nice and stilted. So let's go check this out right now. Okay, so this lot is approximately 3,600 square feet, and underneath this house has plenty of space for storage. So you can either park multiple cars, you can do boat trailers. If you wanted to, the option is also there for you to enclose all of this for storage. So this is really a blank slate. And if you are a City of Marathon resident, you can actually use the boat ramp for free, which is actually just less than 2 miles down the road. All right. So we'll come in here and immediately it opens up into an open concept living space, which I really appreciate. This home is 1,188 square feet. We've got a nice kitchen, new countertops. I personally would put an island here. I know the last resident who was living here made this a formal dining area, which is great. Got a lot of natural light. And you've got a circuit box right here, so everything's super accessible, as well as your laundry. Laundry on the main floor is a godsend. So you've got a lot of room for storage up here. You can put shelving in, washer and dryer. And these are 9-foot ceilings and ceiling fans in every room. Over here, we've got our first bedroom. This could be an office. It is a bedroom technically because it does have a closet. And then we've got 2 bedrooms right here. So this is going to be your guest room. This is a really good sized bedroom. We've got nice light over here and a very big closet. So it has a hanging shelf right now, but you could totally do more storage in there. And then this is the bathroom that both of the bedrooms share. And actually it's updated. It's really cute. I like that vanity. And this is your master. Tons of natural light. They do have these blackout curtains because there's a lot of natural light. I really like that. And a huge walk-in closet. So that's really big. The person who was here before put a dresser. They put a dresser in that closet. So it can fit a ton. This bathroom is really cool too. It's a double vanity and we've actually got storage on this side, which is really great. It replaces your linen closet, but it's updated, so it looks new. And then we've got a shower. And like I said, these are 9-foot ceilings. It might be a bit of a smaller house, but it doesn't feel small. To be honest, this is kind of what my house felt like in Georgia. I feel like it's ample room for 2 people, for a couple, absolutely. For 1 person, it'd be more than plenty of room. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I like all of these. They're nice and sleek and updated. Electric everything, which is great. You've got a garbage disposal, which is really nice. And it looks like there's a water filtration nozzle. There's no system underneath, but at least the nozzle is there. So you can always do that. We've got a really cute porch, which also has extra storage. So this is where you can keep your rods and reels, all of your pool stuff, your beach stuff. And then you've got plenty of room. The last residents had a nice couch out here. They had a little patio dining set. Yeah, you could really make this space whatever you wanted to do. You could do some greenery on this side. There's also, they've installed shades right here. So privacy shades or sun shades you can pull down on all sides, which is really great because I know this is kind of a close lot, but you really feel private when you're out here. It's really nice. So this house is listed by Derrick Johnson with Coco Plum Realty. Like I said, my name is Gracie Dorr. I'm with KeysCations Realty. If you're interested in seeing this house or have any questions about it, please reach out to me. I'll leave my info on the screen below. Check out my channel for more home tours in Marathon, Florida, or the Keys in general and Keys lifestyle. And I will see you guys in the next one.